Yeah, hi traders. Good morning. This is Parthiban. Today is 2nd March 2016. It's 5 a.m. Okay, I've spotted a very good opportunity in USD yen. USD Swiss franc and pound sterling Swiss franc. Okay, I'm going to explain the setup. Okay, I spotted this opportunity in the daily chart. Okay, daily chart. And before we consider any trade, we have to know whether the trade, I mean the market is going downtrend, uptrend, or sideways. So how do I analyze this? Okay, this is a free video which I'm going to explain just about the setup that I've observed. I have few techniques to identify the trend, which I'll be sharing that to my participant who sign up for my courses, and for those who sign up for my paid member videos, YouTube videos, then I'll be sharing all that. But this is a purely free video which I'm just gonna show you guys how precise is the entry before the things already taken place. Okay, taking place. Okay, before we know the trade, because we go into the trade setup, I want to know the trend. So what do I do is I mark higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high, high, low, high, low. So this is a very clear uptrend. Okay, very clear uptrend. So what happened here is that for the first time the low is broken and it created lower low. So lower high, lower low is created, then a pullback, then it's clear downtrend. But the next, it did not create a lower low, it creating higher low. So this will be confirmed with a higher high and a higher low, then it's uptrend, and then another dropped, then slowly it trying to go and do the correction but failed to penetrate above this level. Okay, so what you have to know is you have to focus on this level, this level, and this level. Is it higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low? So this creating a very clear downtrend. In fact, you can place a channel here, a very good channel here. Is it? And market has a potential to go to this level and do the correction, but what I'm looking at, this is the key level and the price is being rejected at this level clearly. You see, price rejection, price rejection. So there are potential to go up if market did not go down, but if it go down, then there's a very clear chances for it to test this support. Okay, and I have few techniques to validate and to check the key level that I'll be coaching that in I'll be sharing that in my classes. And since it's a free video, I'm going to explain to you guys. Okay, what you have to do is there is a pin bar setup, a very good pin bar setup. Okay, you enter a sell trade over here, sell stop, then you place a stop loss. This difference is 100 pips. Okay, assume that you risk $1 per pips. There is $100 risk over here. Once market reach this first support level, this area, is it this area? Okay, I'll assume that you put $1 trade, $1 per pips value. So you split into 3 trades. Let's assume that you risk 0.33 33 cent per trade. With the 3 trade, it's accumulated to become $1 per trade. Okay, in overall. So I'll once price reach this level, I'll break even my trade. Okay, with the same entry price, and I'll close my first 1/3 of my profits, which is 0.33 trades. The first three trades. Okay, 0.33 trades. Second, I'll be closing at this TP1, and third is the second TP2. Okay, and the best part about this, If this market is the risk and this is the reward, if market reach this level, if I risk $100 per trade, then I already gain $100. If you reach this level, it's risk reward 1 to 2, the blue color. Then with the risk of $100, I gain $200. If the price reach this level, then with the risk of $100, I gain $300, which is risk reward 1 to 300. This is a very good setup, and I'm expecting the market to drop below this. If it failed to drop and then go up, then the chances for it to test this level is very very high. But if it drops, then it will certainly reach this level, the first support level, and then we have to see the reactions over here. If it drops further, then the take profit one is in target, and then second is take profit two. Okay, so this is for GBP. Sorry, USD Swiss franc, and GBP Swiss franc, a similar trade, a very clear downtrend, consolidation, downtrend, consolidation, dropped, a retest, forming a pin bar over here. So already validate the pullback with my own strategy. So I'll place my sell here and my stop loss at this level, and I'll use my, once price reach this level, I'll break even my trade, and this trade I might be going for 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, probably 1 to 2, and I'll split into two trades, one go for 1 to 2 risk reward, another one more 1 to 3. So I'll split into 2 risk reward ratio trades to maximize my profit. Okay, this is for GBP Swiss franc and this is for USD Swiss franc. Okay, what regarding yesterday's Australia USD, a lot of my students were showing me that Parthiban, I observed a very good pain bar. That's a very good, because this data is haven't exist yet. Okay, so I say this is a very good pin bar setup, but this pin bar is not valid. So everyone was shocked. I say, you why are you saying it's not valid? I say the pin bar is very good, but the location of the pin bar at this level, it looks very clear. It is downtrend, support, market went up and it dropped and retest. This pin bar is very good for this price action story. But when you look at the bigger picture, the pin bar forming here, this area to me it looks like a rubbish, a choppy, and then there's no clear price action. Market is in uptrend, so always need to look for pin bar at this area to go long. But this is counter trend. So I did not. I didn't have time to explain that because I was away yesterday. And see, with the proper price action knowledge, we can avoid the wrong trades, and then it saves us money. See, I always tell my students that trading involves two states. One is active trading, one is passive trading. Active trading is you enter trades and then consistently locking your profit and you managing your trade. Second is passive trading, which means you staying out of the market when you have to stay out of the market, because when there's no opportunity, no point you go and you try to squeeze out some trades out of the market when the market is not allowing you to do that. So stay out of market if there's no opportunity, stay smart, and then safe trade. Okay, so this is the reason I did not trade this trade. And then earlier I told that market will push at least 25 pips, then it will give a pullback. You guys can check on my WhatsApp. Some guys are amazed, particularly how could you forecast the movement. They say it's not a I forecast or predict, this is a pattern. If you understand the pattern, it repeats all the time in all the charts and all the time frame. Okay guys, thank you, safe trade, good luck.